The computer is a machine for a lazy people.
This piece of machine called the typewriter isn't dead, as you can see, and it won't be in a long time from the look of things. Invented in 1867, this small machine, either in the electronic or manual form, has type keys that produce alphabets one at a time on a piece of paper inserted around a roller. With the advent of computer desktops in the 80s, laptops in the 90s, and smartphones in the 2000s, one would think the extinction of the end of the typewriter was near. But around here, in Munshin, Lagos State, Nigeria, this piece of hardware is still very much in use.
The computer is a machine for a lazy people. This typewriter, before somebody can sit down and type a typewriter, you must be a learned person.
There's some work that we cannot use a computer to do.
This Department of Law, they prefer typewriter.
Most customers do come. They will tell you that they don't want computer, that they need typewriter. And besides, there is this ribbon. There is this ribbon inside the typewriter, and the ribbon is somehow thick than the ink that is in the printer of a computer.
It is quite surprising and fascinating that in this digital era, where personal computers and home printers are commonplace, the typewriter is still waxing strong. So why has it remained so popular around here? We're out here to find out why users and those who patronize the commercial typist still rely on the typewriter in this modern age of technology.
Because I'm being used to this. This is what I've been using for the past 30 years. And it's part of me. I can just say it is. This typewriter is part of me. If you ask me not to use it again, I believe I will be thinking about it. If there is a passion in a profession, in a line, when you have passion on it, you don't say anything threatening on anything you are doing. If you love what you are doing, whatever others are doing, you care free.
I prefer the typewriter than computer. Everybody can type computer, and it's not like typewriter.
People using computer want to type many things. If NEPA take light, that is all. They will start afresh. But like this one now, if we set our paper on this one and we start typing, nothing like NEPA, nothing like disturber. Your own is to concentrate for what you are doing. No error, no mistake. That is why we base on this one.
When it comes to using typewriter, I'm good at that. When it comes to using computer, I'm also good.
The reason why I'm coming here to patronize her is that in Nigeria we don't have stable light. When you go to a computer, you want to do some things where these women are doing. They also can equally do it, but they say there is no light. Or if there is a generator they are going to use, they inflate the price.
Yes, there is nowhere you get to that you won't see where to buy it. If you go to Ladipo main market, you will see it there.
We are selling it here. It's moving here. Sometimes we are doing supply from here to either Abuja or Ogun State. Depends. There are even some school around here is coming to buy here. Because this one is manual typewriter. You can use it whether light or no light. But there's some of it will be electric. We can use only when light is there. But this one, you can use whether light there or light no there.
As you have heard and seen, the typewriter, which is more than a century-old equipment, is still valued and won't be going into extinction anytime soon. Because to these people, using the typewriter fulfills their every need in the typing world. What do you think? Let's get your thoughts in the comment section.